Let's read our problem. 15 men each gave 12,540 rupees for charity. We need to find how much money they all gave together. When everyone gives the same amount, we use times to find the total. Let's write this in a tall column. We put the big number 12,540 on top and the small number 15 below it. We will times by each digit of 15 one at a time. We start from the right side. 0 times 5 is 0. Then 4 times 5 is 20. We write down 0 and carry 2 to the next place. Now 5 times 5 is 25. We add the carry 2, so we get 27. Write down 7 and carry 2 again. Next, 2 times 5 is 10. Add the carry 2 and we get 12. Write down 2 and carry 1. Last digit, 1 times 5 is 5, plus the carry 1 gives us 6. So our first row is 62,700. That's 12,540 times 5. Now we times by the 1 in the tens place. 12,540 times 1 is 12,540. But since the 1 is in the tens place, we put a 0 at the end. That gives us 25,400. Now we add our two rows together. 62,700 plus 1, 25,400. Starting from the right, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1 carry 1, 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 1 stays. We get 88,100. We did it. The 15 men collected a total of 88,100 rupees for charity. That is 1,88,100 rupees. What a wonderful thing to do.